Damn. Although I was thinking about it. So what's this, 15-pound test?
Yep.
So we might have to go down to 12. You trust my knots? That may seem like look like it floats, but it does not. It will get right down to them real fast.
Skinny water set?
What?
That's the skinny water set?
That's the full-on crack with the beach chain eyes.
Oh, yeah.
That is perfect. Plus, it's got weed guard and everything else. It is the go-to fly here. What could possibly go wrong? Well, I thought it was going to be a little windy. It wasn't calling for this.
No.
Actually, what might be smarter is going straight out this way and then cutting back in. Sorry. Oh!
That's smarter.
I don't know, hitting those a beam might not have been the best idea either, but maybe not. Oh, there goes my hat. No, I got it still. Okay, no, that's a bad idea. Slow down. You're going way too fast. So to your inside, it's 2 to 3 feet of water. To your outside, to your right, is 6 to 10 feet of water. That's why they hang in here. Nice. Stop. Hang on. Okay, now. Fish?
Yep.
Oh yeah, there we go. What do we got? What do we got? Put some nicely done. Get her up here a little bit. You got yourself a snook. Tell you what, we're gonna anchor up. Nicely done. About time somebody around here caught something.
How do you handle these guys?
Oh, you can lip them.
Okay.
No teeth, man. Just like a largemouth bass. You never caught a snook?
I've only caught one. That was with Harrington. On our last day of the trip, when the cold front finally left.
Is that a snook? I think it's a snook. Oh yeah, it's a snook. Go right in his mouth. Oh yeah, baby. Okay, keep him in the water for a second. I want to get a picture of him. Okay. Shit. Oh, beautiful, man. Thank you.
Awesome.
Hey, look at you, caught a fish.
Awesome.
We're on the board, man. What they say, hey, right behind that sign, you'll find them. Beautiful. Freaking great. That makes me feel a little better.